Good morning. And you should ask why she have decided to vlog after such a long time.
Why not? Why? Why not? Why though?
Honestly, because we're going to be camping and I'm very bored. Everyone is asleep and I should talk quieter, but we actually need to go in about a half hour, so I already get dressed up. Like, I wear this very cute shirt, these jeans. Here's little Kimmy. She's just enjoying her life. Already got all this stuff packed up. We need to put it in the bagage of our car. Nothing really changed, as you can see. Oh, and there's the tent. Very prepared. Sorry that I'm using the flashlight. It's just very dark outside, as you can see. Maybe I'll just do a little room tour for you. Basically, the furniture is still the same. We just put some fabric, so it will look more aesthetic than pink.
Am I a joke to you?
It's from IKEA, by the way. And here's Kyle. He's sleeping. This shelf is also from IKEA. This puff is handmade. There's a new plant, we call him Emu. And there's our very beautiful, I don't know, art. And here's Archie. He's kind of scared. There's some shoes and some stuff that we never change. It was very messy. And we still don't have a toilet. We use the neighbors. So here's the kitchen.
Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Same things as it used to be, you know, like nothing very special. I hope I'm not very boring. We should update some of this furniture, to be honest. And this is my favorite room. I love it. I love the bunk bed. There's some stories, and here's our new family member. It's actually their mother. We took her from the shelter. Actually bought a new bathtub, so we'll show you when it will be all ready. Let's just get ready for the trip. Again. So, here's Kyle. He says glasses.
Wow.
I forgot my glasses. What's that I'm going to do now? You did not. I put them on Kimmy. So, because they were not waking up earlier, we're stuck on traffic. Christy have been vomiting all the road now, and Sammy is just enjoying. I think Kimmy is sleeping. I can see her face. Oh, here she is with the sunglasses on. And here's Archie, just chilling. I really want a bubble tea, like so bad. Can we get a bubble tea? No. We got it. So while we're driving, I'll tell you some stuff, like some updates on our lives. It's been so long, like literally I haven't been in YouTube for such a long time now. Just say we had a rough time. As always, life is rough in general, but yeah. So Kyle got released from the army, from the military, and now he's a stay-home dad, which means I need to work now. That was his idea. Yep. By the way, we didn't took the puppies with us because they need some vaccinations, so it's dangerous for them. So they stayed with my mom and with their mother, so it's good in both sides. pink. And yeah, that's how we're living. Okay guys, we're here.
Christy, look.
Here's Christy and Sam.
Christy gonna bring her
I
stuff.
want.
And here's Kyle.
What's up?
So beautiful here.
I know, right? Hey fam, so all the fam has fallen asleep literally, like, except me and Christy and Archie. He's just eating some sausages right now. Here's the 3 princesses. So cute. And she's sleeping with socks. That's some weird thing. Anyway, I think I'll be going to be sleeping right now too with Christy after she'll eat her marshmallow. You want to sleep with Papa or with Mama?
Papa.
And yeah guys, we'll keep you updated tomorrow. Bye.